Good day, everyone. My name is Chichi Chilolo. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And also, like my topic. Thank you. My topic today is all about how some parents don't take care of their kids. There's this picture I saw on internet today. I was not happy at all. Some parents, that energy you're using to go to party, that they did not even invite you for that party, is just friend that invites you. You don't even know the people that is celebrating their birthday or celebrating their naming ceremony or doing one thing or the other. You just want to go there instead of you using that energy you are using to party to take care of your kids. Just look at the picture I'm showing you. I am not happy at all when I saw this picture, because as a mother, you are a guardian angel to your children. That is what you are. If you don't know it now. You are a guardian angel. Those energy you're using to go into Mama Karim's house, Mama Chioma's house, Mama Ifeanyi's house, Mama Abbott's house to go and gossip. Why not focus that energy on taking care of your gift from God? Take that energy and focus on taking care of your beautiful children that God has blessed you with. But no, you will use it to party. You will use it to go to house number 28 to go and gossip. You will use it to go to house number 50 from house number 1. No, you go to house number 50 to go and gossip. Instead of you focusing your energy to take care of your children, you will not. You will be busy going from one place to another to gossip. Some they will even form group of club. Our club is doing end of year party. Our club is going for this person's wedding. Our club is doing those period, those time you are using to go to club party, club end of year party, club this, club that. Why don't you use that period and that time and take care of your children? Some they will even tell the older one that is 10 years that still need to be taken care of. Go and beat your brother Joe. Go and beat your sister Joe. Me, I have somewhere to go. I cannot come and kill myself. I did not kill my mother, so no child will kill me. Why will you be saying a thing like that? 10 years old child that still needs to be taken care of. You are telling that one to go and beat your brother Joe. Go and cook Indomie. Turn the children to Indomie. All their brain is Indomie. That's all they know. No good food, no good care, nothing. Some will even give their children plates with small money. Go and buy food. The money your husband left for you to use and cook nice meal for them. No. They will use it and go and contribute. Ajo. We are doing ajo. Contribution. We are doing contribution. Every year, I will collect 300 and something. If you collect that money, you will not use it for something good. It's still same party. It's not that you will collect the money, you use it and do better things for yourself. It's not that you will use it and buy better clothes for your children. Nothing. Some they will even leave their kids for their neighbor to take care of. See the results. Are you seeing the results? Hope you are seeing the results. You are leaving your kids for your neighbor that have her own problem too to take care of. You are leaving your kids for that neighbor that you don't even know what is inside that neighbor's mind. last month, I saw one picture that a woman left her 2 kids for neighbor, not knowing that neighbor have bad intention for those kids. He poisoned those kids, poison carrot and give to those kids, and they eat. That woman now will start afresh. Why don't you back one? You are an African woman. Back one, carry one. Go and buy that thing you want to buy. But no, just because you want to go and gossip. Just because you want to go and do one thing or the other. Why will you leave your kids for anyone to take care of? For what? Do you know that person plan? Do you know what that person is thinking? Some, they cannot even bathe their kids. They cannot even cook good food. That little money your husband left for you, why don't you use it and cook concussion rice for your kids and manage with them? They will even enjoy it. It's sweet, sweet. Oh, mama food, they sweet. Even though there's nothing inside, mama food is still the best. But no, you will give them small money and push them on their head. Go and buy food in Mama Informer's shop. You don't know what Mama Informer use and cook that food. You don't know what Mama Kazim use and cook that food. Go and buy food there. Go and eat. I cannot come and kill myself. You don't know you cannot come and kill. When you are having them, you don't know that your responsibility is to take care of them. We mothers, we should sit right. Just look at this picture I'm showing you now. Where on earth will these parents be and their kids are doing like this? And we parents, we need to be very careful the way we do things. I don't know where those kids learn those things from, but we need to be very careful the way we do things in front of our kids. We need to be very, very careful. It's very important. Children of these days, they learn fast. They are not dull. They are very wise. They learn fast. He's still a small boy. He's still a small boy in front of the boy. You will see that he's still a small boy. He's telling you now that he's not a small boy or a small girl. He's still a small girl. And you are misbehaving. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much.